Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be upgrading our stock low beam headlights, the one that sits out here on the outside, to some nice bright LEDs. Went ahead and picked some up off of Amazon, so let's go ahead and take a look at them and see what we'll need to do to get them installed. Alrighty, so this is what the stock low beam headlight looks like. Let's go ahead and get the LED installed. Here's what the new lights look like, and I've got to say they're actually pretty nice. They've even got a little fan in the bottom of them to help keep them cool when they've been on for extended periods of time. Here's what the connector is going to look like, kind of just like a standard 2-plug cable that you'd plug into the wall. Now we're going to be taking this cap off right here, and to do that you're just gonna unscrew it a little bit until it releases from the teeth on the inside, and then you can just pull it right out. Now unfortunately I can't get my camera up in there, but you're going to stick your hand into the hole right here until you feel the light, and then you're just going to turn it outwards towards the outside of the car until it releases as well, and then you should just be able to pull it out of the little socket that it's located in. To release the light, we're going to undo this clip right here that's on the back side. And here's what the old bulb looks like once it has released. Alright, so I actually had to use a small flathead screwdriver to get that latch over the little tooth there, and as you can see it's actually still out just a little bit, but that's okay. I went ahead and turned the car on so that we could see the light. You can actually hear the fan going already, but yeah, that looks super bright. I think that's gonna look great once we get it fully installed. Now to reinstall the light, we're just going to put it back into the housing down there, and these teeth right here are actually going to lock in once we turn it to the right, and then all this extra cable right here can actually fit in the housing down there with the light. Alrighty, and once you get that cap reinstalled, you want to go ahead and turn the lights on so that you can make sure everything still works. Here's what the new LED in the housing looks like, and of course we'll go ahead and take a look at night later on once it gets pretty dark so that we can see the true effect of these things. But let's go ahead and do the other side now. Now on the right side, we're going to have to do a little bit more work. The engine coolant tank there is actually in the way of that cap, so we're going to have to loosen those two bolts and basically set the tank over in this open area until we get that finished. Alrighty, now that we have the engine coolant tank moved, you can see that we can access the cap for this low beam headlight on this side. We're just going to go ahead and spin it, and then it's going to pop right out. Alrighty, you guys, we've got them both installed, and I've got to say that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Let's go ahead and wait until it gets dark and see what these things look like. And here they are at night. These things are extremely bright. I've got to say they are so much brighter than the stock headlights. And here's a quick view of what it looks like inside the car with these new headlights installed. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the lights or the install, let me know down in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below if you want to pick some of these lights up to upgrade your own. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope to see you in my next one.